The computerized resource might actually arrive at its possible high of $17.54 toward the finish of 2023. Avalanche with a potential flood could go as high as $106.95 toward the finish of 2030. The torrential slide network has gathered the interest and enjoying of the majority from the crypto space with its heavy basics. Also, rewarding advantages, for example, lightning quick exchange rates and adaptability, among others. To enhance this is the return on initial capital investment of AVAX, which by and by weights around 3,337.96% since its most reduced known esteem. In a new buzz, Torrential Slide Labs has worked together with Chainlink. The organization is supposed to engage Torrential Slide in areas like NFT, DeFi, and GameFi. Ethereum, Solana Labs, Polkadot Organization, Land, and Binance work on comparable innovation, and every one of these popular cryptos are viewed as the top opponents to Torrential Slide. AVAX is really buckling down on making its innovation more affordable and eco-accommodating. With this biological system, validators with insignificant equipment can scale to millions. The bold basics, drives, and advancements have been a basic purpose for Torrential Slide being on the list of must-dos. Might it be said that you are enthusiastic about putting resources into AVAX, yet questionable over its profits in the midst of negative patterns? Look no further, as we bring to you the AVAX cost expectation 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Torrential Slide professes to have quicker exchange time when contrasted in Ethereum blockchain innovation. Regardless of Ethereum cost is the most famous token in altcoins. Torrential Slide is said to have a superior organization, which gives its clients quicker exchange administrations with less expensive gas charges and said to be more dependable and eco-accommodating. Torrential Slide has quicker exchanges speed each subsequent when contrasted in crypto monsters like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot. Conveying brilliant agreements on Torrential Slide costs simply a tenth of what they cost on Ethereum. The Ethereum virtual machine is completely running on Torrential Slide. With the assistance of Torrential Slide, span moves of Torrential Slide and Ethereum resources between blockchains will become more straightforward and quicker. Torrential Slide cost expectation for 2023 could go from $11.21 to $17.54 for the year. AVAX Coin Value Forecast 2023. The Torrential Slide establishment has sent off Torrential Slide Multiverse, a motivating force program zeroed in on speeding up the reception and development of its book Subnet Usefulness, which empowers a rich environment of versatile application-explicit blockchains. At first, the program is centered around supporting new environments including, however not restricted to, blockchain-empowered gaming, DeFi, NFTs, and institutional use cases. The Torrential Slide establishment dispatches a motivation program zeroed in on speeding up the reception and development of its original subnets, the debut scaling answer for Web 3D apps. Assuming that the cash proceeds with its turns of events and tie-ups before long, there are possibilities. The cost might skyrocket to $17.54. On the drawback, in the event that the market breakdowns and disappointment of updates might prompt a value drop to $11.21. Thinking about every one of the perspectives, the cost might arrive at a typical cost of $14.68 toward the finish of 2023. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Expectation 2024. The heavy basics of the organization could welcome more current selections, acknowledgments, and should push AVAX above significant opponents, emerging which, the computerized symbolics cost could shoot up to $25.27 toward the finish of 2024. On the other side, if the crypto resource faces gigantic liquidations, the AVAX cost could sink down to $18.47. Progressively, a harmony in exchange practices could land the cost at $21.92. AVAX Value Expectation 2025. While anticipating the cost as long as possible, dissecting its authentic footprints is certain. What's more, how it acts when bears surpass the market. Progressively, this really quick and secure stage can possibly reach $34.16 toward the finish of 2025. If the altcoin succumbs to any administrative limitations or negative feelings, then the AVAX cost might encounter a pullback of the value rally to $25.11. If the altcoin figures out how to pass every one of the obstacles, the cost would wind up exchanging at a typical cost of $29.66. Torrential Slide Value Forecast. AVAX is one of the youthful and promising altcoins. We have presented to you some fascinating cost expectations for this coin. The altcoin would keep humming its achievements with steady redesigns this year. As indicated by planned AVAX cost forecast, it might crush $17.54 toward the finish of 2023. On the disadvantage, market changes and questionable worldwide circumstances. Even disappointment of overhauls can be a potential difficulty for the altcoin. Also, subsequently the AVAX cost might battle to merge around $11.21 constantly in. What is AVAX? Torrential slide is the arising shrewd agreement stage in the crypto business and is the quickest as estimated by time to absolution. Furthermore, has the most validators getting its movement of any verification of stake convention. AVAX stage is blasting fast, which gets supplements from the organization's minimal expense and eco-accommodating characteristics. Torrential Slide has its own local token AVAX. The token is utilized to pay for charges and secure the organization by means of marking. What's more, given essential unit of record between the different subnets made on AVAX, it professes to have quicker exchange time when contrasted in Ethereum. Ethereum cost is the most well-known token in altcoins. Yet Torrential Slide is said to have a superior organization. Crucial examination. The genius behind the Torrential Slide convention is Cornell scientist Emin Firearm Sire, which was sent off in September 2020. The primary rationale of this send-off was to acquire secure and quick exchanges the worldwide installment space. Torrential Slide is a safe stage for sending off dApps, monetary items, exchanging, and different administrations. Any shrewd agreement-benefited application can govern over its rivals on Torrential Slide. Torrential Slide effectively sent off its mainnet on September 21, 2020. From that point forward, the resource has seen enormous development to achieve more than 100+ undertaking, $1.60 M+ of AVAX consumed, and in excess of 500,000 local area individuals all over the planet. Torrential Slide has its own local token AVAX that offers upgraded security with the capability of taking care of trillion exchanges each second. This local token works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Verifiable Market Opinions 2020 to 2022. AVAX made its presentation in September with an ICO of $5.40 and with a market capitalization of $128,248,483. Around the same time subsequent to crushing a pinnacle cost of $6.97, the cost fell around $4. As the stage was not so dynamic during the underlying months of its send-off, the value neglected to arrive at new highs. The coin waited at $3 for no less than 4 months till the long stretch of December. AVAX started its disagreement 2021 with a sticker price of $3.09. The organization with Reef Money cleared a path for a bull rally. By mid-January, the cost crushed another ATH of $13.60. Following the association with Muscular Money and Pangolin, the value flooded to its ATH of $59.40 in February, yet dropped to $25. As a consequence of the crypto market decline on May 19, the cost plunged back to $15.58 from $42.59. The liquidity mining motivator assisted AVAX with moving to its new ATH of $75.05 by the 18th of September. Q4 was genuinely bullish for AVAX. Regardless of the changes, the year was shut at more than $100. Is AVAX a wise speculation? Indeed, AVAX is a productive speculation as long as possible, considering in the qualities of the organization. Furthermore, the spread of the organization regarding utility.